Designing for DTF just got a serious upgrade. Most people spend hours trying to build the perfect design, adjusting shapes, fixing colors, reworking layouts, just to start over and over again, but somehow it still doesn't feel right. But what if creating a professional design was as simple as typing an idea? That's what we decided to test. We used ChatGPT to generate a hyper-realistic inflated balloon design from nothing but text. No Illustrator, no Photoshop, no design skills required, just an idea turned into artwork instantly. But we didn't just stop at the fun part. We're taking this all the way, turning the artwork into a fully DTF print ready file, printing the transfer and pressing it onto a real shirt, step by step. So you can see exactly how fast an idea can become a finished product if design has ever slowed you down. This might completely change your workflow. Let's build something. All right, guys, we are here on ChatGPT. Let me show you how easy this is. You're just gonna go to our website and look for prompt pop. After that, you're gonna copy the prompt, go back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt in, enter the text where it says enter text here. I'm gonna put in pop and then put create image. And just like that, you are making yourself your own design with just text alone. All right, so it's been a couple of minutes. Let's take a look. All right, this came out phenomenal, guys. This looks exactly what I wanted. It came out, honestly, exactly what I thought it was gonna come out to be. What we're gonna do first here is actually save it.
Hey superstars, print shops and clothing brands are already using these prompts to create effects that used to take hours in Photoshop. Puff print, leather patches, embroidery, silicone, denim, they're all AI generated, all DTF ready, all proven on real fabrics. The playbook is in the description below. Now back to our video.
Gang sheet builder. So here's a cool thing too as well, guys. I understand that sometimes, you know, really downloading anything from ChatGPT, you're not going to get it fully print ready. You know, whether it's the background that needs to be removed or you just need to upscale it so you could actually get it to the right size you want. This gang sheet builder will help you with all of that. So I'm actually pretty happy that ours is completely knocked, like the background's completely knocked out, so we don't have to worry about that. But I do want to get this upscaled because I'm pretty sure this is going to be pretty small and we don't want a small design. All right, we uploaded it. So as far as we could see right now, it's at 4-inch width. If we bring it up any bigger, you're gonna see that red line almost towards a black line if we want to even bring it to the right size we want it, which is 10 inches. And this is not looking good, guys. The resolution's gonna come out terrible. I know it looks good right now because it's in, you know, digital format, but it is not gonna come out really well as a print. So what do? Edit image. As soon as you edit image, you're gonna see this upscale quality button. You're just gonna press it, let it do its thing. All right, looks good. Let's push apply. Awesome. Okay, we're just gonna fill in our gang sheet. Even though we're just using one, we wanna make sure that we get some test prints prior to as well, you know? But all right, we're gonna duplicate this. We got a good 3 of them on our gang sheet. Let's save and add to cart, check off the box, and we are set. Let's get this printed. Most creators get stuck switching between a dozen different apps just to get one design right. You don't need a million subscriptions, you just need Kittl. Whether you're generating AI art, refining typography, or prepping files for print, Kittl is one of the tools that actually brings it all to life. Stop overcomplicating your workflow. Sign up using the link below to grab 25% off of any plan and start creating faster today. We got the print. Let's take a closer look.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's take a closer look here. Guys, look at those edges. I'm gonna be honest with you, ChatGPT did its work on making this transparent. It looks good. It looks really good. I like it a lot. But let's look at the back to see how well it did. It looks great, guys. This is gonna come out really well on a white shirt. I think this is gonna pop for sure. I do like the upscale too. The high resolution definitely did its job. You could definitely tell within the actual design that this is gonna pop for sure. I said that twice, I'm sorry. All right, well, let's get started, guys. We're using a white Smart Blank style 402T, one of our go-to t-shirts for DTF. It has a premium feel, holds color beautifully, and captures the fine detail really cleanly. Basically the perfect surface when you want your print to look sharp and professional. If you guys want more info on it, check the link in the description. Next up, the Fever 15x15 heat press. This press has been a rock solid for us, consistent pressure, reliable performance, and it delivers a clean result every time, which is exactly what you want when you're pressing a detailed transfer. Now let's get started. For our heat press settings, we have it on 300 degrees for heavy pressure, and we're doing 10-second interval for the press time. I know we usually do 7 seconds, but the reason why we're doing 10 is because this machine only does 5-second intervals, so 10 seconds is just gonna be just fine. All right, guys, let's get started here. I do wanna let you know I already preset the laser so we could have perfect alignment. Let's just get our shirt on here. And then we're just gonna align it. Now we're just going to press this. What we're gonna do is actually make a little bit of a slit, kind of like bending the paper just so we can make sure this looks a little bit even since it's a little bit divoted up right here. I'm just trying to line it flush so we could find a midway point. Right, and then I'm gonna bring it up where the design is, just above it so it could touch it. Okay, all right, now this is set for pressing. Let's heat press this now. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, it's very hot. I know I say this a lot on every video. Again, 15-second wait is the usual recommended amount, but again, you can just peel it straight off. And since we want to keep a little bit of that shine, we are just going to use the regular sheet and just flip it over. Heat press it one more time. Take a closer look at it. All right, let's get some close-ups. All right, let's take a closer look here. Guys, I'm loving the edges. The artwork itself looks phenomenal. I think we did amazing on this job. It has such a 3D effect to it. I love that it actually fully looks like an actual balloon. I like it a lot, guys. And even close up too as well. Like usually close up, you could kind of like, oh wow, like this is not what it seems, but you can only tell by like really just touching it, right? It looks good, it looks great. Yeah, I think we did good, guys. And just like that, the design goes from digital artwork to a fully finished inflated balloon graphic on a real shirt. Start to finish, concept, creation, print, and press. If you learned something new or got inspired, hit that like button, drop a comment on what word you would use for this prompt, and subscribe for more DTF tips and experiments. See you guys on the next one.